How to use Google Earth Pro Flight Simulator. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Google Earth Pro Flight Simulator. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your web browser and head over to Google Earth Pro. After you search for Google Earth Pro, you'll find Earth versions. Head over to this website. There you'll find an option that says download Google Earth Pro on your desktop. So tap on that, and there you'll find this download option, which you can download an exe file to and set it up yourself. After you set that up, open it up. And after you open up your Google Earth Pro, what you'll need to do is here on the tools section on the top, you'll find Enter Flight Simulator. Tap on that. And after you tap on that, you can choose your aircraft first. Then you can choose if you want to fly from the current view or from an airport. I'll just choose an airport. And after you choose an airport, you can then start a flight. You can connect a joystick if you want to as well. And now after you're in the airplane your flight simulator, you can then start flying. And it's that simple, guys, and that is all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.